YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with the project share for our monthly collab, which we do the last Sunday of the month and we post by 1 o'clock. And this is our CWA Crafters with an Attitude and Company Mixed Media Challenge. So every month we have a list for the whole entire 12 months what we're supposed to do. And this month our theme was to alter a Dollar Tree fan. So before I go any further, I want to say welcome to my channel and welcome back, and thanks for coming to check out our collab each month. I really greatly appreciate it. And not only checking me out, but checking out all of my wonderful crafting sisters that are in the collab with me. These women are just, I love them. So we have Susan, who's Susie Q Crafter 21. So check out her channel. We have Miss Little Scrappy, which is Lisa. And then we have Sheba, which is Sheba 5. And then we have Donna. And Donna does not have a YouTube. She has Instagram. We've been trying to get her up here because, you know, she's super talented. We're ready to put her out the group because she just takes it to the next level. Anyway, so I will have all of their links to their channel, to Donna K, her Instagram, so that you can check them all out and see what they did. Tell them hi, you know, like and subscribe to the channel. You will not be disappointed. All wonderful, creative, talented people. And so like I said, this month we had to do a Dollar Tree fan and somehow make it mixed media. Well, we kept the term mixed media, meaning 2 or more mediums. However, they don't always have to look like a traditional mixed media. As long as you have 2 or more products, we're good. So you all have seen Dollar Tree fans, you know. They come in a plethora of colors, you know, and they fan very well. And of course, you know how to get me red and black one. And then so we had to alter it however we wanted to. And there's multiple ways you can do it. Your choice, you know, who knows. But anyway, so, and of course, I just took a traditional fan and glued it open like this. And of course, I ended up not using this one, and now that was stuck open because I glued it. But I'll show you some of the stuff I did use. This was some red burlap that I got a while back from Dollar Tree. Glued out some sequins from the Dollar Tree as well. Some beads, some old flowers from, and I'll show them to you from AC Moore's and from Michael's. So this is Miss B. You know, I love me some Julie Nutting, so I used her head on mine. I colored her with Spectrum Noir. She was on 110 pounds. And I'll just show you, it's very simple, quick and to the point. Oh, and I forgot to pull this back out. But this is actually, you can get this from Hobby Lobby, but I actually got this gold from the Dollar Tree. Yep, I actually got some of the gold, this and the silver ones from Dollar Tree, but also got some from Hobby Lobby. So it could be from either one, to be honest. This could be Hobby Lobby's, or it could be Dollar Tree, because I have rows of both. I had taken them off the spools. So instead of doing my traditional, which I saw like a lot of people use the boas, I was going to put that behind it to make it fluffy, but I didn't have any, and I was trying to use what I had on hand. So I said, I'm going to just leave something different. And then I used some little sequins throughout. I was going to sew them because my girl Susan took it to the next level, and she was actually doing some hand sewing on hers. I was going to be like that today. And then I was pulling out a whole bunch of other stuff that I was trying to purge. And yeah, I put out too much stuff, and I said, you know what, I'm just going to glue these down so I can get this video done. So I just used some glue dots to get these little sequins down throughout. I was going to hand sew, but whatever. That's the red burlap. That is Miss B. Again, I fussed to cut her out, and I colored her with my Spectrum Noirs. This is a rolled felt flower that I got from AC Moore's, which is no longer here. And then these gold flowers, as well as these black ones. The gold ones came in a box. One of those little, like, paint tins Michael's used to sell with the flowers in them. That's where the gold ones came from. The black ones came in a little Dollar Tree pack. They used to have, like, the Dollar Owl back in the day, so they old. And they already had the bling in it. I just, in both sides, the small and the large, had a pack of both. And I just used it as the centerpieces for these gold ones, just to pull in some of the gold and the black. And then on the bottom, I wanted to use the tassel that came with it because they all come with these little tassels. And I took my tassel off, and I got some glue on it, and then I melted it to get the glue off. Then I put a little cut it off, and then put a chuck ring on it. Anyway, long story short, I messed it up. Because I wanted to take it off to put some beads on it and put it back on it. So anyway, I just made it end up being a short one. We're supposed to have the tassel hanging down. So I thought it would look really cute with the tassel on it, but of course I messed it up. But for the sake of making sure everything was done in time for this video, this is what we ended up with. And those little beads, I put the bead caps on it. I just used a hairpin and I bent it, with the tool. And that is what I made. And so that is my altered fan. So hopefully you like it. So just want to say thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Check out theirs. And if you want to alter one and play along, love to see what you make. Tag me, let me know. I would love to see it. So anyway, and I'll be having another giveaway soon. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.